So, welcome back. Yep, I feel like doing some mischief today. I've been thinking about doing this for 3 or 4 days now, and I've just got to try to execute it. I'm tired of doing it in my mind, and we're looking forward to how this might turn out. I am going to do a couple of things. A little open cup, which I forgot to get out. So I'm going to do this little guy with some paint in it. And I have a brand new one here. It's called Pebo, P-E-B-E-O, if I'm pronouncing it right, which I'm probably not. Anyway, this is a black and blue iridescent. It looks neat when I mixed it up, so we'll find out about that. I'm going to use some silver. These are all metallic. Silver, gold, copper, and golden gold, the expensive one, and a touch of teal topaz, and some Amsterdam white, and maybe a touch of Payne's gray. So I'm going to do a couple of different things with this. So let me get the white down, and I got my black, geez Louise, back splashes up, so I will not get paint all over myself when I get the hairdryer out. So stand by, I'll be back after I get the white down, and we'll start pouring. Well, here we are. I've got the white down, and now I need to execute this. Easier said than done, maybe, huh? Okay, I think first I will start with a little pillow of white right about here. I know this is crazy. It's all crazy. Crazy fun, right? And here goes my cup. And this is I might as well just start with some gold. And I'm just going to put a little bit in this corner. Okay, and then some copper. I had it laid out the way I want it. Oh, there's that seagull again from the other day. It flew over me and dropped a load on my painting. He's back. He is back. I'm going to try some of this. I'm telling you, this is an interesting color, this black, blue iridescent. Very interesting. We'll see how it turns out in the painting. And I want a little Amsterdam. Oh, it's starting to get a little lift off here. Stop, she says, stop. I'm going to put a touch of silver. I know you probably say, what in the world is he going to come up with here? And we don't know, do we? Okay, I have a little bit of this teal. Wanted to put a little bit of color with it. I don't have very much, so before I'm finished, I may end up using a different bluish color for just a touch of color with this. Okay. That looks like fun already. I think I'll put that over there. And I guess you can see. Okay, now I'm going to be doing some differences here. Well, this is hard to maneuver this with my splash guard. You can't see it, but it's right in front of me. Okay, this one is going to call for the mini blower. Okay, there's that one. And, okay, now, there's that one down there. So let's start, yeah, I know. Let's start up here. And there's gold. There's copper. I'm just going to put a little bit of this gold here. It's a little darker. Okay, my silver. And I will put, well, you know what? I think I'll put my black on there, yeah? I'll put some, I think I'll do a couple of drops like that. And then my Amsterdam white. And the last thing I'll put on here is some touches of the teal. I think I've got everything. Did I miss anything? Speak now or forever hold your peace. Nope, I'm not answering that. Whoever you are, go with. Nope. Not talking to you. Oh, I have to see who it is. Another unsolicited, unwanted call from the world. All right, here we go. I'll turn this on. That'll drown them SOBs out. Here we go. Whoops, I need to put an attachment on. I think I need a little bit more white. So let's give me a little more white. All right. Oh boy, I better move these because I know they'll go flying through the air. Hold on, bear with me. Yeah, oh, the colors are interesting. Okay, here we go. Let's blow this over a little bit. I think I'll let some of that interact for a second. Huh. Okay. I think I've waited long enough. That topaz was really a pretty color. I'm almost out of that. I'm going to have to buy some more. Okay, here we are. Here we go. All right, hold on. Let me get my pupper. Alrighty. just knocked stuff off my paint table. Okay. Wow. Talk about disorganized. Okay, I need to get rid of that spit there. So let's try to dig it out. I'll cover it up with white. Please don't let me mess this up, eh? Okay, I'll need to. All right. Just pushed it back where it belongs. Oh, I like that. I need to do a little bit with the straw, possibly. I want that to come a little more that way. Well, you probably shouldn't use that tool to do it with, you bonehead. Let's try a straw. Oh, no, nothing like having your brain working for you. Here we go. Ready? Okay. I'm not done. So, I have one more to do, one more line of paint. And so here I go to do it. I'm not, well, maybe I will. I'll just put a little bit up here. No, I won't either because it's empty. You're a trickster. Here we go. Just ever so little bit up here. That's gold. Copper is pretty. You know, it's a fun paint. Whoever came up with copper, I hope they got a raise in their salary because it's a good one. A little bit of silver. And Amsterdam white. Maybe. Gonna have to mix me up some more of this stuff, I guess. Oh, I didn't use very much of this secret black or blue black. Let's try some more of that. Oops. Slippery snot. And teal. All right. The good part is I'm going to be blowing against myself. That's not a good thing. Whatever. Here we are. Okay, here we go. I'm stopping right there. Stop, stop, stop. Here we are. All right, what do we have? I think we have an almost, oh yeah, I'm really liking this. Oh, it's so much fun to say. I really like it other than, God, this is a flop. Okay, I am going to stop the camera, get out my terrestrial bent straw, maybe a number 2 pencil. I don't see any dots I don't like. And fiddle just a touch, and then I'll be back. So stand by, I'll be back. Well, there you have it. I don't know if it's showing up very good with me being on the other side from a distance, so I'll bring it in a little bit. And I'm very surprised. This down here appears to be a little darker. Then I come up here when I did the Dutch pour, and it's amazing that I don't know if that's all teal or if that's the black and blue iridescent paint, but it really came out strong, which I was surprised. I didn't use that much. And then I'll come up here to this corner, and the same results. Colors are pretty together. And the blue and the black iridescent blue and the touch of the teal really turned out dominant, along with the copper down here. So these are some fun colors. So we'll let this dry and take a couple of photos of it. And I'm glad I was able to execute this. I may fiddle with it a little bit more. I see some things right now that I need to work on. But for the most part, I'm done. And I thank you for watching, and you have a good day. This is Richard B saying thanks for watching. See you next time. Well, I lied. I'm doing a little quick follow-up, and I did a little bit more tweaking, and I don't know if you can see the difference, but I did some mix-up down here, and I did a little bit more in there, and this is what I ended up with. I think it blends a little bit better, carries better. And the colors look good together. It's going to be fun when it dries. Oh, and I also did one of my little coasters. The colors are pretty. I tell you, that copper is a very pretty color. Anyway, folks, this is my wrap up again, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. I do something else super creative. Anyway, this is Richard saying thanks for watching. See you next time.